20th, and I am at Pomona. Oh, we're gonna look. Pomona State Park in Vassar, Kansas. I tried to be prepared this time. Yesterday, I was very busy. I've been here, 4 days now, and I'm basically waiting to leave here until the storms in Texas settle down. Seems odd waiting out a storm or hurricane or tornado, whatever's going on. It's just weird to wait out that kind of a storm in Kansas. No place like home. Toto too. There's some winds here, and I just got a flash flood warning on my phone for this area, so I don't know. Anyway, anyway, I was very, very busy yesterday, and I'm paying for it today, but let me go get things unlocked, and I'll bring you back and show you what I did. I did too much. Be right back. Okay, so I'm outside at the back side of the TrailManor, and I started out, I think I needed something and couldn't find it. So I opened up my garage, so to speak, and because I always come out here and I sit on this, I just put my pad out here. So I have a place to sit. Anyway, I just reorganized everything so I could find it. This thing, and I got 2 chairs in here this time. Last time, when I was just packing up my stuff, things up so that I could get on the road, I just kind of tossed stuff in. But now I know that a lot of cleaning stuff is back in this area, and then my chairs, and then plumbing stuff is back here. I have hoses, and I have I think it's called a water thief or something, and then here I've got electrical stuff, and in here is those are, oh, squirrel just ran up that tree. Anyway, in here is walkie-talkies that my husband had when he went hunting. He used to use those with the guys he went with. So this is all nice and organized and cleaned out, and things are rolled up and put away nice and tidy. This isn't what hurt me though. Hang on, I'll show you. I couldn't find things in the back of the truck. So I took everything out and I reorganized. I've got stuff that I don't use a whole lot up here. I forgot to leave this with my grandson when I was in Seattle area. These are curtains that my daughter gave me because the curtains inside the TrailManor have sun faded so bad. They look like they're about 30 years old, and they're terrible. So if and when I ever get to a second-hand store, I'll see if I can't find some little cheap used sewing machine, and I'll just make new curtains out of these. They're really heavy, plus they're lined, which will help a lot with insulation. What else is in there? I don't even remember what I put in there. Anyway, this is my grandson's ukulele. I forgot to give him. This is Judy's stuff. This right here, this black diamond plate thing, I bought that at the TrailManor factory, and what the plan is to put it, let me turn you around, around the window part of the TrailManor, so it doesn't quite get quite so beat up. But they said that they use a two-part glue, two something. I can call him and ask him, or email Jacob. And then I've got my generator, and yes, it does start. And then my battery operated drill, so I can put the leveling jacks down on the TrailManor. 2 garbage cans. I don't have room for them, so if I end up going to the van build, I'll put them in the free pile, or even maybe at Lollapalooza when I go there. If somebody needs a little trash can, I'll give them to them. These are also giveaways. I've got some more somewhere. I can't remember where. But I was so excited when I got them. But what they do is they go inside a refrigerator, and the shelves, these little things here, just slip on the shelves. So you have like a tiny little drawer under the shelf. Well, that's all great, but my shelves are like wire racks, and these things go right through them and everything, and just ends up falling out. So I'm going to give those away. I've got 2 more. I don't know where they are though. This drill quit going in reverse. That's why I bought that drill. So it's a giveaway or something. Inside there is just roadside hazard flashers. These 2 things. Oh, this is what's in that bag over there. Anyway, these 2 things are tools. This is the, oh, what's it called? The thing that goes in. That tent. It goes in this thing. And then this tub, I ended up emptying it out and putting all my mechanical stuff in it. Mechanical. Oil, antifreeze, gasoline for the generator type stuff. This is just an extra table for outside, and then underneath here I have 2 extra freshwater tanks, and then of course, you know, there's, what's that called, a Coleman lantern back there. Sorry about the light. There's a Coleman lantern, and then my propane tank. Oh, and 2 bags of charcoal. And this, I don't know if I've ever shown you the inside of this baby. This I got at a store in Pomona, Pasco, Washington. Pasco. It's a char griller, barbecuer. It's got a thermostat on the outside. That I did finally get the grill seasoned because it's cast iron. So it had to go on the fire for a while. But you can grill on it, you can bake in it, and barbecue. So, no, I have not used it yet. Right now it's being used to hold my pop-up down because it's really windy. The truck. Going in and out, up and down. Pretty good number on my back. That's the only trash I ended up with, not much. And the biggest thing that's in there is an old tarp, like that blue one way over there. Yeah, blue tarp. It's like that. But that's the biggest thing that's in there, other than things that a bedspread comes out of. That was in there. Windy. Anyway, so yeah, going in and out of the truck was a killer on my back. And when I set the pop-up yesterday. I set that up. And look inside. I got the lights set up in it. Set up, turned on, hooked up. Get over here and I'll turn. I don't know if you can see all the colors or not. Right now they're green. And they're going to switch to blue. They just look white in the screen here. I don't know. Anyway, these lights were in my husband's gun safe, and I'm pretty sure that his plan was to hook them up inside the safe so he'd have light, because you can adjust the color and the motion on them. I can't get this strip to work unless I pinch over there. Anyway, I see the whole thing is quit now. But yeah, I was pinching here and it would work. I don't know. Anyway, I'll work on it. But worst comes to worst, I can always put the side that doesn't work up against that side of the TrailManor. and not have lights up there, but have lights on the outer edges. So anyway, today I am probably just gonna do laundry and hang out. Being here for so long, I've gone through just about every cupboard, every drawer. I've redecorated the bathroom, which I think I showed you that on either the last video or the one before that. So that's probably it for today. It's, I don't know, 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning. I hate mornings. I think I'm allergic to them. I always say if mornings would start about noon, 1 o'clock, well, we'd be good. But anyway, okay, so I'm going to start getting my laundry going. And like I said, I'm just going to hang out today and kind of chill. All right, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Leave a comment below if you want to know something or you see something you like. Thanks. Bye.